If you've come across this video, there's a very strong chance you're suffering from psoriasis and therefore you're suffering from anxiety or poor sleep. Now, a lot of people don't realize that herbs can be very beneficially used to treat psoriasis on the inside as well as the outside. Now, one of the best herbs, the very best herbs you can use, especially if you get Russian chamomile, chamomile. Chamomile is one of the most calming herbs you can get. You can grow Russian chamomile, you can grow European chamomile. It usually gives you these beautiful bright yellow flowers, and you make a tea with it. Now, but you need to drink the tea about an hour before bed. If you take 2 or 3 teaspoons of fresh chamomile from your yard, you can get chamomile in herbal concoctions, but it's much better if you grow your own chamomile, especially with organic matter. Now, 2 or 3 teaspoons of chamomile in a pot of teapot, boiling water, let it infuse for 7 minutes. Pour the chamomile concoction into a teacup, teaspoon of honey, sip it very gently for about 10 minutes, clean your teeth, hop into bed, and have a great night of sleep. That sleep will be deep, rejuvenative, and will help your skin to heal. Now, if you found this video useful, please share the link with others. Subscribe to our channel. On the right side of the word, you will see a bell icon. Press the bell icon and select all, so that you'll receive notification each time we publish a new video, which will be on Tuesdays, Thursdays and Saturdays. And remember to download the ebook, and you'll find the link in comments below.